wild grass sways. Blue tracks fading at the end of the day. Steel string hums in the evening glow, telling stories only riders know. Echoes beneath the red sky carry my heart as the night rolls by. Dreams ride free where the eagles fly. Echoes beneath the red sky. Campfire smoke and a gentle breeze. Whispers drift through the cottonwood trees. The open land is a song untamed. Every hill and stone calls my